Hello everyone and welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, you will learn how to speak English naturally at a coffee shop. Listen carefully to the conversation, learn useful phrases, and practice speaking along with us. Emma walks into a coffee shop and goes to the counter. The barista smiles and says, "Good morning. What can I get for you today?" Emma replies, "Hi, I'd like a medium latte, please." The barista asks, "Would you like it hot or iced?" Emma says, "I'd like it iced, please." The barista continues, "Would you like anything to eat?" Emma looks at the menu and says, "Yes, I'll have a blueberry muffin." The barista enters the order and says, "Great. Anything else?" Emma replies, "No, that's all, thank you." The barista says, "Your total is $8.50. Emma pays and says, "Here you go." The barista smiles and says, "Thank you. Your order will be ready in a few minutes." Let's look at some useful phrases from this conversation. When you want to order something, you can say, "I'd like a latte, please." This is a polite and common way to order food or drinks. If someone asks, "Would you like anything else?" they are asking if you want to add more items to your order. To finish your order, you can say, "That's all, thank you." A few minutes later, Emma is waiting for her order. Another customer, David, is sitting nearby. He notices that the seat next to him is empty. Emma asks, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" David smiles and says, "No, it's free. Please have a seat." Emma replies, "Thank you." David says, "You're welcome." After a moment, David asks, "Do you come here often?" Emma answers, "Not really. This is actually my first time here." David says, "Really? They make great coffee here." Emma laughs and says, "That's good to know. What do you usually order?" David replies, "I usually get a cappuccino and a chocolate croissant." Emma says, "That sounds delicious." Now let's learn some more useful expressions. If you want to sit somewhere, you can ask, "Is this seat taken?" If the seat is available, someone may say, "No, it's free." Another common question is, "Do you come here often?" People use this question to start a friendly conversation. Soon, the barista calls out, "Emma, medium iced latte and blueberry muffin." Emma stands up and says, "That's me." She takes her order and says, "Thank you very much." The barista replies, "You're welcome. Enjoy." Emma returns to her seat and takes a sip of her drink. David asks, "How is it?" Emma smiles and says, "It's really good. I think I'll come back again." David says, "I told you. Their coffee is excellent." After talking for a while, Emma checks the time and says, "Well, I should get going." David replies, "It was nice talking to you." Emma says, "It was nice talking to you too." David smiles and says, "Have a great day." Emma replies, "You too. Take care." Then she leaves the coffee shop feeling happy and confident. Before we finish, let's review some useful phrases. "What can I get for you?" means what would you like to order. "I'd like" is a polite way to order something. "Anything else?" means do you want more items. "Is this seat taken?" is used when you want to sit somewhere. "Do you come here often?" is a common conversation starter. "It was nice talking to you" is a polite way to end a conversation. Finally, "Have a great day" is a friendly goodbye expression. Great job! Now try practicing these conversations aloud. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next English lesson. Happy learning!